What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be washing my car. I have to get everything together. This is Rocky. What's up, Rocky? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Look at my baby. It's all dirty. You can see all this dirt. You look so ugly right now. But when we're done with it, this bitch gonna look good. Shit gonna look clean. I know y'all probably don't want to hear this, but that works pretty good. Just pour a little bit of that in there to get the suds going. Look at that. Beautiful. I need to get these rims. Beautiful wheel. We almost done. Now the fun part, the drying part, which isn't even that bad. Yep, almost done now. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Instagram? What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? We done. We got the finished product here. It look good. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Man, should look good, son. See your reflection on here. What's up, y'all? Thanks for watching, everybody, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I got plenty more videos to come. I gotta change my brakes here in a little bit, so maybe Saturday, maybe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below.